It may sound unbelievable today, but until 1960s, the official currency across much of the Gulf in what are today the UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait and Oman was the Indian Rupee or the Gulf Rupee. Yes, currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India. How did that happen? From the 19th century until 1971, Britain exercised varying degrees of political control and influence over much of the Persian Gulf through a network of protectorates. This included what is now UAE as well as Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait and Oman. Before oil wealth transformed the region, these sheikdoms were relatively modest economies sustained by trade in dates, camels, fishing and the famous natural pearl trade of the Persian Gulf centered around Basra. Since they traded extensively with British India and had no central banking system of their own, the Indian rupee naturally became the principal currency. It was convenient for both trade and administration. Remarkably, this continued even after India's independence in 1947. Then an unexpected problem emerged: gold smuggling. Gold was much cheaper in the Gulf because of the high import duties imposed by India, and so large quantities of this precious metal were being smuggled into India. To curb this, the Reserve Bank of India introduced a separate currency in 1959, the Gulf Rupee. It looked almost identical to the Indian Rupee, but could be used only in the Gulf. The arrangement didn't last long. As oil wealth transformed the region, the Gulf states began introducing their own currencies. Then in 1966, India devalued the rupee, and that was the final push. Now all the remaining Gulf states replaced the Gulf rupee with their own national currencies. For a brief but remarkable period, however, India's central bank effectively served as the monetary authority for much of the Gulf, a little known chapter in the shared history of India and the Arab world.